Hello, this is going to be a brief demonstration on the Kronos Chatbot integration with the Microsoft Teams application. In order to use this functionality, we must first install the Kronos app, which can be found on the Microsoft App Store. In order to accomplish this, we need to navigate to our Teams tab, click on the triple dots, and go to Manage Team. Once in here, we want to click on the Apps button and go to the Store. Once we're in here, we're going to need to search for the Kronos app, which we go to the search bar and simply start typing in Kronos, and it pops up. Now, I already have the app installed in my Teams application, which you can do by clicking Install here. But since I have it, I click on Available and open up the bot. In order to use this, we're going to have to log into our tenant, which you can do by typing hello, which as you see I've done, and then you will get this click to log in prompt. That is going to open up a browser window where we can log into our tenant. I have a sample user, Ginny Wallace, which I'm going to log into and click Submit. Once you see that your authentication is successful, you can simply close this window down, and as you can see, the Kronos chatbot is ready to accept commands. To get a list of available commands, you can go to the chat bar and just type in help. Now that we have our list of available commands, one of the things we would do each morning is add a punch to let the system know that we have begun our workday. It will ask for a confirmation, and yes, we want to go ahead and say that we are here. Once that is complete, we can go ahead and go show punches. And that will show us a list of all of our most recent punches. Now, I've done this several times today already, so you can see that there's a few of them. Another thing that we might want to do is show me my vacation. We could easily just scroll up to this and click on there, or we could do show vacation hours. So we can see that we have 36 hours of vacation leave under this user's account. Now, other things a user may want to do is check and see how many hours that they've worked. Rather than typing it out, we can simply just type help again, and that will bring up the list again, and we can say how many hours did I work. Now, this particular user does not have a defined schedule, but since we had our punch today, it showed that we've already worked 2 hours. We could put in a date range and see how many hours that we've worked since, say, the beginning of June until now. So we put in a start date, then we go ahead and put in today as an end date, and we can see the number of days that this particular user has worked in the last month and a half. We can show 5 more, and then that will give us an idea of how many hours this user's worked. Now, typically for a user that has a normal 40-hour work schedule, there will be a lot more data available to see here. Now, of course, Ginny is a very busy person today with a lot on her plate, but when she finishes all that, she can go back in here and type punch once again to go ahead and clock out for the end of the day. And that will conclude her workday. This concludes the brief demonstration with the Kronos chatbot integration with Microsoft Teams. I hope it was informative and have a great day. Thank you.